What's up, everybody? Bill here. I'm gonna do a update on my new water hydration system I got here. Cirkul, Cirkul. I've had this for a while now, and it's basically just ice. I just fill it with ice and bottled water, and you have these cartridges here. Okay, that they're called cartridges, and they contain like a condensed liquid water flavoring. Okay, and some of them have like energy boost and vitamins and all that stuff. So this one was originally this was it says on the side Life Sip. This one is originally fruit punch. Okay, and when you take a drink, it flavors your water for you. Okay, so for people like me that don't like just plain water, and it has an adjuster on it where you can adjust the strength. Okay, and it's like 1 through 10, and it's a little bit it's like whatever you like, how strong you like the flavor. And when I originally did the unboxing of this, I didn't realize that the cartridges here, the cap that covers it, okay, has a little notch you can clip it onto, okay, that'll hold it down, all right, like this. See, holds it down, and you can adjust your settings like that, okay. And it's indexed about on 5. It's indexed. You'll feel it click. So that's like about where I keep it, halfway. So anyways, it was like, I don't know, $14 for the bottle. I put this koozie on there myself, but you can buy like containers to hold these, okay? But anyways, what this video is about is these cartridges, okay? You can fill this thing up about 6 times per cartridge, okay? And then you're supposed to get another cartridge and just throw these out, but that seems kind of like a lot of waste of a cartridge, because it's material, it's plastic, okay? And I could go through one of these easily in a day, okay, one of these cartridges. So it seemed kind of like a little bit of an expense, because you can get these cartridge refills, okay, which I bought before I was real familiar with it. And this is six of these cartridges for like $12, okay? I bought off Amazon, and these are fruit punch, strawberry kiwi, honey crisp apple. So I haven't even opened this thing yet and used them, okay? Because I I learned that you can hack these cartridges, okay, and refill them yourself for pennies to the dollar, and that's what I've been doing. And I haven't even cracked into those yet. I didn't even really need to buy those, because I'm just refilling the original ones. But you can refill these quite a few times before you might want to discard them after a while, because they get kind of worn out. The little holder that holds this down, it gets worn out, and the little thing that on the very tip, the little plastic thing that keeps the water from coming out, they get worn out. In the bag, it just, you don't want to keep using it forever, okay? So anyways, I'll show you how to hack this real quick. And what you do is you get these are just examples that I've been using. I got these ones at Target, but you can buy all kinds of different brands and all kinds of different vitamins and energies, or you don't have to buy anything that has energy. It's just, there's a million different types and brands and flavors of these condensed liquid water flavoring bottles that you can buy. Normally you just squirt it into your water, stir it up, but I've been using it in this system here, and it works good, and I'll show you how you do it, okay? So I just filled this up with ice water, and I was drinking it and it ran out, so I figure, okay, this is a good time to show how to refill these yourself, okay? So you just unscrew the cartridge, okay? Tap out whatever water's in there, Okay, so you set this aside. You got your cartridge here, and you just kind of wiggle it. Okay, grab it, wiggle it, and it'll pop off. Okay, like that. And there's your bag. Okay, so set this aside, and then hang on one second. Was not prepared fully. So you get I like to use a flathead screwdriver, okay? So underneath here, there's like these little fins, okay? What I'll do is I'll take this screwdriver and I'll put it in the highest fin, and you just grab it around the edge, and then I just twist it and it pops right off, okay? You just twist it and it pops right off. Okay. You don't want to try to just rip it off because it would be hard that way. But if you get a screwdriver in there, either pry it or just twist it. That thing will come loose, and then the top comes off, and there's your bag. Okay. This one's empty. Sometimes there'll be a little bit of residual water in there that might have some coloring to it still. So I'll just empty out whatever's in there. That's pretty clear still, so it was definitely empty. All right, and what I do, so if there's still a little bit in there, you can rinse it out and then empty it, whatever, if you want to be a purist. But I'll just blow on the bag a little to expand it back out like that, so you can fit more in it. Okay, and then I'm going to mix these. Okay, I'm going to mix them up. I got tangerine and strawberry watermelon. You can buy these on Amazon for like 12 bucks for like 6 bottles, okay? And each one of these bottles, you can fill up these like maybe 6 or 7 times, so it's way less expensive to refill them yourself, okay? And you're not wasting all the material, okay? So you just you gotta aim pretty good, so I like to do it over the sink in case I miss a little bit. And you just let me move a little closer so you guys can see how I'm doing this, okay? Because this stuff will stain if you get it all over the place, okay? Because it's got coloring in it. So blow up the bag a little bit, okay? You just aim it, and it's a little tiny stream. It'll come out. You just go right down the middle of the hole until it fills up, okay? You'll see it when it gets towards the top. Okay, it takes a few squeezes, man. Okay, so there's that much, and I'll add some of this tangerine flavor here. Okay. You know what? Let me get my tweaker light so you can see what I'm doing. Get some light on the subject here. All right, now we can see what we're doing. Well, you can see what I'm doing. I can see good. There we go. You can see it going down right down the middle, okay? Okay, let's add a little bit more of that strawberry. You could just go one flavor if you want, but I like to mix it up a little bit. A little tiny bit more. There it is, okay? You can see it came right up there. Okay, I mean, if you don't have a steady hand and you know you have a hard time with stuff like this, then maybe you just buy the cartridges and just throw them out when you're done, or have someone else refill them for you. You know, and then you get your cap, okay, and you go see the little knot, the little circle right there. It just goes right back in there, okay. You just put it right in there, and it pops right on your felt click, okay. See, a little bit dropped right there, so that's why you want to do it over the sink. You take this little round thing again, and the bag goes right in there, and it'll click. Push it up till it's done clicked on. It's like a couple of clicks. If you dropped any, make sure you rinse it real quick. Get it off your fingers if you do, because it will stain your hands. And that's it. I just got a brand new cartridge. Stick it in, twist it, and take a drink. Perfect. Really good. So that's the hack to refill these cartridges. And this thing's helped me hydrate quite a bit, because I really struggled to get enough hydration with just water or whatever else I happen to be drinking. So this was the ticket for me. You can see it bubbling after you take a drink, so make sure you clear it back out. And if you're traveling with it, just put this cap back on so nothing leaks out. And this cap they're kind of a pain a little sometimes. I leave it off most of the time. But anyways, we'll take that off later. So that's the hack to refill the cartridges on these. Like I said, you can get a bunch of these for about the same price as 6 of these, and you're going to get way more refills, if you do it yourself. Okay, so that's all I got for this one. Let me get that cap off. There we go. Hands are a little slippery there. Take one more drink. It's really yummy when you mix them like that. So anyways, y'all have a great day. Thanks for stopping by. And we'll catch y'all later. See ya.